Brothers and sisters, every minute we waste is an act of injustice against our own selves. Because I could have used that minute to benefit, to go forward, to progress, to advance. But I wasted that minute. And this particular minute shall not come to me forever for good. I've lost that minute, that hour, that day, that month, that year. This is an act of injustice. When you oversleep, when you overeat, when you overindulge, these are all acts of injustice, not on your neighbors or friends, against your own self. Yes, sometimes you could be oppressing others, If a spouse overeats and he or she is out of shape, you could be oppressing your spouse as well, or other people who are around you. But the point is, the first one to suffer is you yourself. When you're not progressing the way you should, if there are people in your class, at work, in society, who are progressing more than you, who are working harder than you, by not competing with them, by not being with them in the same level, you're actually harming your own self. If in your class, you're not the one who's working the hardest and studying the hardest, then realize without the slightest doubt that you're committing an act of injustice against yourself. This is why the Quran says, وَفِي ذَلِكَ فَلْيَتَنَافَسِ الْمُتَنَافِسُونَ. Yes, there is positive competition. Compete with everyone in society, but in a positive way, because there's negative competition. Compete with everyone, with the biggest one, with the most successful one. Because if you're not doing so, you're the one who's actually missing out by committing this great act of injustice against your own self.